Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the FTMO and what are some important things that you need to know. So the first thing is that FTMO is from Czech Republic, it's the country next to mine, and it's a huge thing, so I'm a huge fan of it. And also, if you're gonna want some bonus, you can have a link down below in description too. So it's from like 2014 and it's like very like long history. And they acquired Oanda, also hedge fund, so that's great. You have like all the training here, so this is something that I want to share with you. And then also it's like based in Czech Republic and it must publish financials, so they get like tens of millions in profit a year. And that's like what is the sign that this is not like a random Telegram scam, you know. It's like this is a real cash flowing company. And large payouts, 20k, 30k, 40k are getting processed like normal, so that's huge. And if I would have to like share, like this is a huge great company. Payout, request approval, money often within 1 business day. Great support and reputation, so strong Trustpilot rating, no limit on challenges now, so you can trade on your own pace, and you have like maximum loss, so it's like really clear what you're actually getting at. Also, the scaling and refunds are easy. So they don't like gamblers, this is very important, but profitable traders. And if you abuse risk, that's something that you have to be aware of. Now, what are the kind of like the pros and cons? First thing first is the fee. It's higher than many competitors. Then also, but you're like paying for a brand, right? And security. A harder profit target. So phase 1 profit target is here like 10%. Or like you're gonna have like 4k there, so that's like higher. And it's harder to pass. And you need to have like edge there. So they get like also account changes sometimes. On the risk behavior, they are very strict. So that's something that you have to actually like be aware of. But other than that, FTMO is like a huge great company, and I highly recommend to check it out, right? So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.